This is another hymn that we like to sing, and I hope that you know it because you enjoyed hearing you sing Victory in Jesus. But this one's called Meeting in the Air. Does anybody know that song? All right, well, we're going to sing it. I want you to sing it along with us as loud as you did Victory in Jesus, because it's something we get excited about, that there's going to be a meeting in the air. You can clap on this one too. There you go. You have heard of little Moses in the bulrush. You have heard of fearless David and his sleep. You have heard the story told of dreaming Joseph and of Joel and Noel you often see. There are many, many others in the Bible. I would like to meet them all, I do declare. By and by the Lord will surely let us meet there at that meeting in the air. There is going to be a meeting in the air in the sweet, sweet by and by. I am going to meet you there in that home beyond the sky. Such singing you will hear, never heard by mortal ear, will be your dance I do declare. And God's own Son will be the leading one at that meeting in the air. Many things will there be missing in that meeting, for the mourners which will have no place at all. There will never be a sermon preached to sinners, for the sinner had refused to heed the call. There will be no mourning over wayward loved ones. There will be no lonely nights of pleading prayer. All our burdens and our anguish will be lifted at that meeting in the air. There is going